Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, so the question is asking to perform one sample t-test. So sample size is given 36 and sample mean is given 48. To determine this is to determine if sample mean is significantly different from population mean, which is 45. So the significance level is 0.05. So first one, SS is 60. So degrees of freedom is n minus 1 is 35 because n is 36, and s square is ss by degrees of freedom, which is equal to 1.714, and s is equal to 1.309. So we have to find test statistic t now. The formula for that is given by t is equal to x bar minus mu by s by root n. So this is equal to 48 minus 45 divided by 1.309 divided by root of 36, which is equal to 13.751. And the critical value of t with 35 degrees of freedom is 1.690. Now we can observe that our calculated value is greater than our critical value. Therefore, we reject null hypothesis and conclude the sample mean is significantly different from the sample mean is significantly different from population mean mu. Then the second one, we are given SS is 600 and degrees of freedom again 35, and S square here is 600 by 35, that is equal to 17.14. This implies S is equal to 4.140. Now T is 48 minus 45 divided by 4.14 divided by square root of 36, and we'll get this as 4.3478. We can find the critical value by using the table. So we will get this 1.690. Here also we can observe that our calculated value is greater than critical value, so we reject null hypothesis and conclude that sample mean is significantly different from population mean. So then next we are asked the variability. How does sample variability contribute to the outcome of the test? Sample variability contribute to outcome of test. So answer for this is sample variability affects precision of our estimate of population mean. Sample variability affects precision of our estimate of population mean, and therefore affects the outcome of t-tests, and therefore affects outcome of t-test. Larger standard deviation will result in larger test statistics, making it more likely to reject null hypothesis. Making it more likely to reject null hypothesis. This is the answer. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.